The Amazon is still burning out there. There's still fire. There's still species who's dying. And we know what the Amazon means for everybody. We know there's the Amazon is the air everybody breathes. You know there's Amazon, where's the food, not only for us, but for everybody else in the planet. We are also here fighting for any government in the entire planet who does not see deforestation as a big problem.
We've been trying to educate the public about the connection between animal agriculture and the burning of who is largely responsible for the burning of the fires. If you really mean what you say, then stop buying meat. If you really mean what you say, put a boycott.